Hey guys, what's up? I'm back from being an idiot. Okay. I tried to figure out something, but never mind. Whatever. Okay, this is my setup. These are the optical 25, well, failed. The 25-inch optical cords for the freaking mix up. Shoot, I brought the wrong way. Okay. So this goes there, I think. Oh, hold on. Oh my god, hold on. There we go. Got that one in. And that, it goes like, you take it out, and it goes like that in, like, where's it, right there? Into that one. Oh shit! Holy fuck. Into that one right there. Hold on. There we go. Now, is there any, hold on, I just need to find out if there's any more cords that go into my Xbox. Fuck, there is. Okay. Now the mix amp, obviously. That's right there. I'm gonna put it down right there gently right now, right there, and then I'm going to put the other optical cord into that one to the very left. You can hardly see it, but whatever. Hold on, I'm not gonna show how I do this, cause yeah, what the, hold on. Oh, that's good. We have a little seal thing. Like so. The mix amp. I'm gonna put right here gently again. And then, where is it? Oh shoot! Wait. Oh duh. I forgot I put them back into their cords. Oh shoot. Right there. The USB port. Shit. Okay. More twist things, whatever. Oh shoot. I dropped it, but I dropped it, the cords, onto the blanket, so it's all good. And then twist tie off. Wow, this is pretty, wow. Pretty, yeah, okay. Okay, and then this cord part goes into the USB port right there. Like so. Then put it down gently. And then this USB goes in my Xbox. I think I'm gonna put it in the back just to be safer. Like so. Right there. Okay. And then I'm obviously not done yet. Okay. Now the rest. I got the optical cables done. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you now, you don't need the 25-inch optical cables. Yeah, look, just look. Look. My Xbox goes right there. And then the mix amp is gonna be right there. So, yeah, no point. I should have just bought like a 16 or something, I don't know. Where the hell did it go? Okay. This is so simple, holy shit. Sorry for swearing, I guess. Oh. And then there's some more cables. I'll put the boom mic on after. I don't need these because of the computer. Hold on. Now where the hell does this go? Oh shit! I think. Where'd it go? The hell? Hold on. I appear to be not having one thing. Hold on, okay. No, I have it. I just don't know where it is. Oh wow, it was in there the whole time. Whoops. I don't know if I'll need these. I know I'll need this. And then, hold on. I'm gonna take probably first, before I do the microphone jack and the boom mic, before I do those, I'm going to do this first. Hold on. Shit. Probably. I think, yeah, this is it. Right here. There's this. This thing right here, this cord right here, connects from your controller to your freaking, hold on. What the hell? Hold on. This is stupid. I'm confused. Oh. Hold on. I think this cord right here. No, sorry, my bad. This cord right here is for the chat and talk, whatever. take the twist ties off. I'm gonna have to use my headset, don't I? Oh, fuck. I didn't want to take it out right now. This is the worst setup video, I know. Just taking off the plastic, the tape things. Okay. I'm gonna put this. Where's my fucking controller? Oh, there it is. Put that over there. Oh, my control freaks. The one. And then the other one's right there on top. I haven't used them yet. I should have them on right now. Wow, I'm an idiot. Okay, supposedly, okay, this does not go there. This cord with that does not go there. So I'm pretty sure this does. I will test that out right now. Well, not test. I will do that right now. The hell? Oh, it isn't that duh. It's this cord, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's this little cord right here. Yeah. I'm really bad at this. I've never did this before, obviously. Okay, take the twist tie off. Now, what do I do? Oh yeah, duh. My bad. Shit, son. Okay, basically what you want to do is plug it in your controller, obviously, and then take your mix amp. I'll actually show you trying to do this. Okay. Take your mix amp, and the other side should have a controller sign. Right there, I know you can't see it, but it says controller, whatever. It's hard to see. Basically, what you want to do is put this cord into it. Hold on. I'll let you actually look at something in my Xbox right now. No, okay. Put that in there. Okay. It's obviously in. And now I'll put that there. And then done. Okay. Then the next part, which is the easy part. Easier part, at least. This is the 3-inch, I'm pretty sure. The 3-inch, doesn't really look like that, whatever. Optical cable. Okay. I don't live in the States, I live in Canada, so whatever. Okay, now we're gonna use wow, I failed, sorry. We're gonna use the Xbox Live chat cable and plug it into the headset. Hold on. It's still in here. No, it's not. Wow, I am a total idiot. Holy fuck. Be right back. Okay, guys. Okay. I'll be right after the came back. Okay. Take this. Take this and put it in the headset. I'm not going to show you me doing this, but I'll show you what it looks like at the end. No, I'll try. Okay. Do you see? This, obviously, to the one on the headset. Like so. There we go. Like that. It doesn't go all the way for some reason. I don't know why.